Alright, YouTube, check that out. Got one side of this rear caster assembly complete. As you can see, on that's the head tube. Inside there are new bearings. They're 1 3/8 by 5/8 inch inside diameter. With that, you'll see that inside there are also little rings called tolerance rings, and you can use that to hold the bearing in firmly in place. I'll give you a view of that on the other caster. This caster is completed with the plastic piece including to cover the top nut of the stem. These wheels are aftermarket wheels, but they work. We'll find out how well here shortly. And then what's left is to drill the truck or the fork right there. We're going to drill that down, or drill it to a larger size, to a 1/2 inch, to accommodate the new wheel, which uses a bigger axle right there. It's recommended that when you drill this, you use cutting fluid. I have rapid tap, and drill at low speeds. If you have a good bit, I advise getting a good bit. Save yourself the time. Alright, I'll update you with a completed shot of this later.